Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we have a product from Tusk that we're very excited about. This is the Trail Saver Toolkit. If you've been meaning to put together a toolkit for when you're out there riding your dirt bike, you're trail riding, or maybe you already have one, but you're not quite sure if maybe you have all the tools that are needed for the job, or maybe you need a really good gift idea for a rider, this is perfect. Now, what's unique about this toolkit is that it comes in two different options. You get it with the fanny pack if you want to wear it around your waist, or we just have the tool pack. The unique thing is that these are going to come completely built ready with all your tools included. Now, I do want to point out, I'm going to open these up right now, that both these kits are going to have the exact same tools. It's just whether or not you want the tool pack, which is going to have some MOLLE webbing, so you could put this in a backpack, you could strap it to your bike, or do you want the fanny pack that you can wear around your waist? That's going to be up to you or the person you're buying this for. But as I had mentioned, these are both going to come fully set up with all your tools. I do want to point out that if you buy the fanny pack version, it comes up a little bit in price, but with this, you are going to get some additional pockets here around the waist. And then when I open this up, you will see that there is an additional large zippered pocket right here in the front. So if you think you might want to add some additional items to this kit, more than welcome to. The fanny pack is going to give you just a little bit more space to do that. All right, well, let's open this up and show you exactly what you're getting. First and foremost, I do want to point out one feature that is often overlooked that is so cool is that these will both come with a little magnet pad right here. So if you're taking bolts, things like that off your bike, you can put them right here. They're going to stay put. You're not going to lose them. But let's show you everything that comes included in these Trail Saver toolkits. And I'm going to tell you right now, we hand selected these. These are all nice, high quality tools. And this is coming off of our years and years and years of experience riding motorcycles, trail riding off-road. We have done so many repairs, we lose count. And so we know what you should probably have in a tool pack, and that's what you're getting here. So, first and foremost, this is something I love. You will have a tube repair kit. Look, some riders maybe just like to take an extra tube with them, but if you don't have the space, you want to carry that extra weight. This tube repair kit will come with your patches. It's going to have your cement, everything you're going to need. You can buy these as replacements as well. So if you do use one, you can replace just the patches. But you will also have a couple CO2s in here, as well as your head for that. So your cartridges, everything you need to repair a tube and then pump it back up. You are going to have a pressure gauge that will also be included for that as well. Now also in here, which is cool, you're going to have some wire tie, 8 feet of duct tape. And again, this is coming from our experience. This is how we would always package duct tape. We would take it, we would cut out a piece of cardboard, wrap it around. You don't have to do that. You don't have to worry about doing that. It will come just like this in the pack. So 8 feet of that. You're gonna have 6 feet of electrical tape. Again, wrapped the same way, so it's small, stays out of the way, easy to pack. And then these are just gonna be some extra heads for the mini T-handle that I'm gonna show you here in just a moment. But before I get there, in this little pocket or pouch, you're gonna have multiple M6 and M8 bolts, both non and flanged, and a couple cotter pins inside here. You're also going to have a 4-piece or 4-way valve stem tool. All right, next, like I said, there's a lot in here. You're gonna have 2 8-inch tire irons. Talked about the pressure gauge already. Here is your mini T-handle. So this will come with a 8, 10, 12, and 13 millimeter socket, as well as that Phillips that you saw here in this little baggie. Steel epoxy. Can't tell you how many times we've had to use this. If you crack a case, if you break something, you need to repair it, you need to get something sealed up, this stuff works wonders and very easy to use. We have videos where we use steel epoxy in the past. You can go watch those, but again, this is just one of those items where you might not realize it, but you're probably gonna need this at some point. You'll be very happy that you do have it. All right, got a multi-tool here that's gonna have multiple sizes with your Allens as well as your flathead and your Phillips. Again, just another nice to have tool that we always have in our tool pack. You're gonna have plastic ties in all different sizes. Now these toolkits are bike specific for this reason. is that when you are picking yours up, we want to make sure that you're getting the right axle nut sizes. So depending on the bike that you have in your front and your rear axle, there will be a specific tool for that. So make sure you are entering your bike when you're picking one of these tool kits up. Spark plug holder. Again, if you're a 4-stroke person, you might want to just consider maybe a few of the other items. If you need a 4-stroke spark plug tool, you could pick that up as well. As I mentioned, you can still add additional items inside here. You're going to have needle nose pliers. Always need some of those. Adjustable wrench. It's nice and small, compact, rubber handle, but this thing goes all the way up to 36 millimeters. So even though it's small, it still gets plenty big when you open that. And then you're going to have your open end wrenches. You have a 13, a 12, and a 10. So if you need to do maybe your axle adjuster bolts, if you're taking your wheel off, something like that, rim locks, things like that, you're going to have the right open end wrench sizes that you're going to need. That is the Trail Saver Toolkit. As I'd mentioned, hand selected all the items that we have used over the years. Some things are pretty obvious that most people are already going to have in their packs. Some things you probably see here and you're like, oh, that's actually a really good idea. All those little items are going to come included. But again, if there's something that you want to add to this, go all out, do whatever you want. I'd love for you to comment down below, what are some tools and things that maybe I didn't talk about today that you like to include in your toolkit? Comment that down below. But if you have questions or comments about this, please leave those. We will get those answered. To grab one of these, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. If you want to stay up to date on cool new products like the Trail Saver Toolkit, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Also, don't forget, we do have an adventure riding specific toolkit that you can also check out. Some of the tools are going to be similar, but there's going to be some things a little bit different in that toolkit as well. We even have our Moto Toolbox. I'm Chase of Rocky Mountain. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the trails.